How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Here's how. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, select the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then choose the archive option to view your archived conversation. In case if you can't find the message, go back and open the settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom and go to the account center. Once you are inside, navigate to your information and permission under the account settings. Proceed by selecting download your information. On the following screen, choose download or transfer information. When prompted, pick a specific type of information. At this stage, mark only the box next to the message. Then continue by clicking next. For the delivery method, choose download to device. Additionally, select your date range, file format, and set your media quality preference. Lastly, click on the create file to send your download request. When your file is ready, hit download and finally your data file will be saved to your device. There you go. This is how to recover deleted messages on Messenger.